Hello friends, today I want to show you how to easily hydrate your money plant in the summer. The roots would have turned brown at many points, especially those money plant which are growing in water. That's what is my experience, though it is not too hot here. So what I've taken is I've taken a small strip of cloth like this, and I have tied it around the plant so that all the root nodes are covered. So you can use a stapler to secure it. Sellotape may not work. To adjust around it, or you can manage without this securing it also. A stapler works fine, but make sure not to harm the plant. And then you sprinkle the plants with water. I keep doing it multiple times over the next few days so that the plants get a very good level of hydration, and I'll keep it back to its own places. Try it and let me know how this works. Thanks for watching.